part of the demand is three demands. So number one, implementation of greater triple level, which means it may be constitutional, not other than constitution. Number one. Number two, Dilip Motha is strongly insisting the state government to hold the village council election at the earliest. We are already late by 8-9 months. People are suffering in the villages. So we are appealing the state government to hold village council election at the earliest possible. This is number two. Number three, we are asking the central government to introduce the NRC or oppose the CAA. These are the three main demands for which the Dilip Motha is launching 2 days sitting demonstration. So today is the second day, the last day. We are seeing and observing a great response of the people of the state. We believe, we are insisting the central government to move the issue on the floor of the parliament in the next ensuing parliament session. And we are asking the state government also to initiate from its assembly also, because it has to be viewed from the state government also. So they cannot deny the demand and the support of the people of the state. Therefore today also we believe that the state government and the central government will record the support of the people of the state, that we indeed insisting the government to consider and implement according to the democratic system and constitutionally. So these are the three points we have demanded. Thank you.
And why this agitation being held in TTADC headquarters? It could be held at anywhere in Agartala, because so that the government can hear it.
We don't mind for that. We have applied, they have ruled it out. They are not allowing any demonstration in the municipality area. So we are still having some case which we launched almost 1 year back. No? We have 3 cases in the court. We have launched in front of the stable ground. It was only 300 or 400 people, very peaceful. We have applied to the High Court. High Court has logistically granted our accuracy. Because the Supreme Court has a ruling for any individual, for any group of people in the nation, in the country, they have right to explore and to emphasize their demands, their needs constitutionally. Therefore, the central government has given specific direction to the central government and the state government, even the Jantar Mantar also, because people used to go there to explore, to expose their demands. So we also wanted to expose our demand before the state government, the central government, but they are not allowing. So we feel very bad, and if we have any chances in the future, we will allow the public to explore, to expose their cry before the government, before the people, before the state and the nation. So we are surprised why the state government is so allergic, why they are denying, why they are afraid of people's coming up with some voice. They must have some weakness, so we don't know. You can ask them why they are not allowing. But they are holding their meeting, ruling are holding their meeting, but they are not allowing the opposition party. What is the reason? They should be asked and pressured why they are not allowing. Are they really believing the constitution and democracy? This is a big question. Anyway, we are not waiting for the chance for them.
आजादी का महाउत्सव चाहिँ हिंतानो हिम अवरक्षण सारा बछरिया 10 वर्ष लगातार पालाइने তখন জন্য সাংবিধানিক অধিকারী নারী থুম কাজেই এই সাংবিধানিক অধিকারनि बागै जों सालपतिनो चिरिखगै दङ किन्तु जागाव थाङै छगैया गोबां राजनीति बदलक रांबाय पाइजागै थाङो সেই কারণে দিল্লিও থাঙै চিনাव खरां छगैया किन्तु तिप्रा मथानो रांबाय पाइजानाय मथानि तावान छगदि नांखे जोंसो बयनो रांबाय पाइनाय तबो जों निजेके बयबाय पाइजाय अब नंथानि जों कग्रि साइतङ तागर बकर आबनि बागै তিনি পান্ডার বিশেষে আং বিশি ককল সারা থাইয়া তিনি সাপুঙো যিনি সুপার হিরো জড়তङ বরিনিबो दङ जोलानिबो दङ सिगालिबो दङ जों जत्तनि कखराना नांगौ आउनि बागै आं बिशि ककल सारा थाइया आनि अ बिसिसा कक सामनि बिसिंते जत्तनो आं कबानि चिबा याफरै आनि हामजाव याफरै आश्वास नारगै अ किसा कक सामा रमता छिराय